Good evening, guys. How are you? Today, in this session, we will talk about a common type of blood cells which helps in oxygen transport. Those which are in red in color, they are the red blood cells. Red blood cells. Red blood cells. These are the common type of cells in our blood. Common type of cells in our blood. They are also called they are also called erythrocytes because of red color. Because of red color, they are called erythro erythrocytes. Erythrocytes, a red pigment present in cytoplasm. Red pigment. Red red pigment present in their cytoplasm. Due to that they are red in color. Red in color. Primary function of red blood cells is delivering of oxygen. Primary function is delivering of oxygen to tissues. Delivering of oxygen to the tissues. They don't have nucleus. They don't have nucleus. They are iron contains pigment. Hemoglobin. Due to that hemoglobin, they are red in color. Hemoglobin pigment. Hemoglobin pigment. Due to that hemoglobin, they are in red in color. He means iron. Iron containing. Globin means that is the pigment. That's why that hemoglobin. Next, these are 5.5 million in 1 cubic millimeter of blood. In 1 cubic millimeter of blood, there will be 5.5 millions of red blood cells are present. So this is the red blood cells. They are called erythrocytes. Due to that, these are in red in color. Primary function is oxygen transport by binding oxygen in the form of oxyhemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin, they transport in the form of oxyhemoglobin. They transport oxygen to the cells. Whenever they reaches to the cells, they dispatch as the oxygen and hemoglobin. The iron has the capacity to hold the oxygen. That's why they contain iron pigment. They are biconcave shape. Biconcave disc-like shape structure. Biconcave disc-like shape structure. Disc-like shape structure. Nearly lifespan is 120 days only. 120 days. After 120 days, they destroyed in in spleen or liver. Spleen or liver. This is about the briefly about red blood cells. Primary function is oxygen transport. Oxygen transport in the form of oxyhemoglobin. They have iron hemoglobin. The pigment present hemoglobin. Hem means iron. Iron containing pigment. Our blood impacted due to this red color. Due to this hemoglobin, it would be in a red color. There is no nucleus is present in their cytoplasm. There is no nucleus. That why honestly they transport oxygen. They don't even then themselves, they don't use the oxygen. Total how much oxygen they, four atoms of oxygen they combines, and four they deliver in the presence of cells. That much of honest. These are red blood cells. These are also called erythrocytes. Okay, thank you.